What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the keeps crashing issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all close all the apps running in the background. So to close apps, tap on this recent key and here you will find all the apps that are running in the background. So to close the app, just simply swipe up and then that app will be closed. So if there are too many apps and you want to close all at once, then tap on this bin icon. So when you will tap on this icon, it will clear all the apps running in the background. And after that, the crashing issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button. And then from this menu, tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will help you to fix the crashing issue. Now after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then check for app updates. So to check that, open Play Store. Now tap on this profile icon on the top right corner and then tap on settings. So tap on manage apps and device. Now tap on updates available and from here update all the apps that are not updated to the latest version, and after updating these apps the crashing issue will be fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings one more time. Now scroll down to the end and here tap on system and updates and then tap on software update, and from here update the phone's software to the latest version, and after updating the phone's software the crashing issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the keeps crashing issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.